If you're experiencing payment errors on SingleCare, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check payment information. Ensure that all your payment details are entered correctly. Verify the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address to make sure there are no typos or outdated information. Step 2. Confirm card validity. Contact your bank or credit card company to confirm that your card is active and has sufficient funds. Sometimes transactions may be declined due to insufficient balance or card restrictions. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, as this can sometimes resolve issues with payment processing. After clearing, restart your browser and try making the payment again. Step 4. Try a different payment method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to SingleCare's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error message and any steps you've already taken to resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment errors on SingleCare efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from their support team.